Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're doing really well. Today, you will see from the title of this video, I am filming with my eldest little girl. She is 6 on Tuesday. Today is Saturday, and she said she can do my makeup. The girls have done my makeup before, which I'll link. I think they've done it a couple of times, but that was when they were just being silly and just making me look as bad as possible. But this time she says she wants to do it, and she wants to do it properly. They have been playing with these recently, the top model things where you get like the makeup, so I think they think that they're professionals now. So she has been through my drawers and she has selected all the makeup, and to give her the best chance, I've written a list of what order to do things in, and I will give her the correct brushes and tell her how to do it, and then we'll see how she does. And then tomorrow, the nearly 5-year-old says she's gonna do it as well. And while I'm filming with the big one, the nearly 5-year-old is gonna sit and play this to practice what she's gonna do on me. So yeah, if you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. But yeah, let's jump into the video. Right, do you wanna introduce yourself? And how old are you?
I'm nearly 6.
In like, how many days? Today's Saturday, Sunday, Monday,
then it's my birthday, so
3 days.
3 days.
Right, and what are you going to do today?
Do Mummy's makeup.
And you're going to do it good?
Yeah.
She's chosen this eye look that she wants to do with purples. So, I can't see, now that I've not got my glasses on, but that's fine. So the first thing on your list, Mika, is primer, and we've got 2 you can use. So you can use this one with little blobby bits in it, or you can use this one which is a stick.
This one.
Right, okay, you just roll that all over Mummy's face.
Okay.
Done?
Yeah.
I will rub it in so she doesn't have to touch it.
So cool.
Okay. Now is eyeshadow. So, glitter is what we do afterwards, but the palette Mika has chosen today is this one by NYX, which is the Brights palette. I've had this for a long time, but it's one of my favourites. It's very well used. Right. So we have a colour switch to change to clean brushes if we need it. So, there's your inspiration.
Okay, and this is that.
So this is how you're going to make that. So I'll give you a big brush, a fluffy brush to start with. So you want to do the makeup up here to start with.
It's like pink.
So it's like that one, I think. So see how much you've got on?
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. I can't really see it.
And then you just build it up, you put more on. There's a slightly darker one there.
Yeah, a little bit dark.
Look, that one's a little bit darker.
Yeah. Look how I done it. Like I mixed them up and I make a nice pink. So pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ari, are you getting tips on how to do it? You watch him?
Look at it.
Wow.
I mixed them up, like this one first and that one it makes a,
Okay.
like, exact
So then do you want a little bit of a bigger brush to go on this bit?
Yeah, it's like,
That's a good one. Do you want me to get you another palette so you've got some more colours?
yeah.
Yeah?
Wow. That's so pretty. Bye. So, I like the middle purple.
Yeah, do you want
Wow, I like that pink. It's so bright.
you use whatever you want. What brush do you want to use?
So what's this one?
You can use whatever brush you want. Look,
I like this brush.
you like that one, that's a good one.
This is for?
For whatever you want. What colour are you going to go for? Yeah?
Is it? Blush.
No, it's not blusher. This is eyeshadow still. Does it look like your picture?
I think so. Wow, this colour's really nice.
Yeah? Wow. You're very gentle.
Yeah. What was Ari like?
I can't remember. It was ages ago when you guys did it.
I think it was dark.
Are you finished with the eyeshadow?
I think so.
Yeah, does that look how you want it to? Does it look like that one?
I think so.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
Lovely. Do you want to put some glitter on the top?
Yeah.
So we've got the Fenty palette for some glitter. So there's a purple glitter there, or that's a purple glitter. Or you can put a clear one on and it will just be sparkly.
I like white.
White one there. So I'll get you a brush for that.
Wow, the yellow is nice.
They're all pretty, aren't they? It's because Rihanna made them. So. What one are you going to do?
Maybe yellow.
Yeah, you do whatever you want. Is it pretty?
That looks nice.
Yeah.
No. Look.
Happy with your glitter?
There's dots.
Happy with your glitter?
Yeah.
Wow, you've done a lovely job so far.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll do the underneath eyeshadow after we've done the rest of my face. So we're just gonna brush away any extra bits. Remember you see Mummy do it, and you just draw them on.
Okay.
So, there you go.
Nice.
Yeah.
Now, is it this one?
No, these two. Because Mummy likes dark eyebrows, doesn't she? And tell me when they're done. A little bit more.
Done.
Eyebrows done. Next up is foundation. So foundation is this one.
Yeah. Okay.
And Mummy will squeeze it on my hand. You want to put it on with a sponge?
Yeah.
Go on then. So we're using the Conceal and Hydrate Revolution.
it.
Yeah, not on my eyes. So everywhere else.
Okay, like me and that.
Everywhere. You dab it on.
Look.
You don't really know how to do this one, do you? Because Mummy doesn't wear it very often, so you don't see Mummy do it. You'll put it all over Mummy's whole face, so you can't see it. Doesn't matter if it goes on my lips, that's okay. If you put it on my lips will disappear. Look, watch.
Look.
Why do I look funny?
Don't see you wear it. Now we know it's funny.
Yeah. All on Mummy's nose, in between my eyebrows and on my forehead. You gotta cover my whole face. It's like you gotta paint my skin this colour.
I think you
need to spread it.
Yeah.
Do you want a brush to do it?
Maybe.
Yeah?
Pretty one. She ripped off a little bit.
Oh, you accidentally ripped off a little bit of my sponge. Done it.
It's disappearing.
That's what you want. You want it to disappear. That means you're doing a good job. What did I do?
What? Why are you doing that?
Show them that face. Good face.
I am good at funny.
Yeah, you are. Who else is good at funny faces?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm weird.
You are weird. Why are you weird?
Oh, yeah.
Is it because I'm weird?
I just be weird.
Yeah. Be weird together. Right, you done?
Yeah.
Right. Perfect.
Yeah. You look really pretty so far.
Thanks, babe. Now you need powder. So this one, you get your big brush, you swirl it in, and you put it all over my face, but not on my eyes.
Wow.
Just swirl it.
That is so pretty. It's like in it is colours.
I think this is a Revolution one. Unicorns.
Unicorn. I used to say.
So you pat this on. Yeah, perfect.
So short.
Yeah. There you go.
So
You can use do whatever colour you want underneath. You can use that bright pink that you liked.
Yeah.
No, not that side of the brush, that side.
okay.
And then yeah, and then you see it's just underneath Mummy's eyelashes. Mummy will look up.
Wow, this is so colourful.
Yeah.
Yeah, like actually bright pink. That's the brightest pink I ever saw.
Okay, so next up is bronzer.
Remember.
And you can use this brush.
Okay, and another one can brush or is it?
Where does bronzer go?
Don't know.
Cheeks and forehead. Mummy just put bronzer everywhere, really. So it makes Mummy look a little bit more tanned.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
It's getting more dark.
Yeah, making me more tanned. Does it make me look less like a vampire? Or a ghost?
I'm a vampire.
You are a vampire. Why are you a vampire?
Because I do not like
Who else is a vampire? Who else doesn't like the sun?
I know who does this.
Who loves the sun? Bob does love the sun. Bob's the dog. Mummy doesn't like the sun, does she? You finish your bronzer?
I think so. Yeah. There.
Yeah? Yeah? Right, next up is blusher.
So that's number 8.
Mm-hmm. Which one of these do you want to use for blusher? Okay. So you pick your blusher.
This one.
And blusher goes here.
Okay.
Who do you think is going to do a better job, you or Aria?
Maybe me.
Yeah?
Look.
Wow. Okay. Next up is highlighter. Highlighter is the sparkly stuff. Look.
Rather.
For this one, you do this brush and you put it on Mummy's top of Mummy's cheeks.
Okay. Top.
Mm-hmm.
There.
Mm-hmm.
Do a little leg.
Is it pretty?
Can't really see it now. That leg. Starting to see it.
Yeah. A stamp on the side, and then you draw it.
Like this one?
So this side goes that way.
Like
Yeah.
there?
Good. And then this side goes that way.
There?
Good.
Not really perfect.
And then you got to join it up.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Feel it going on the eye. See?
That's okay.
Make it more pretty.
Mm-hmm. It's like a felt pen, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
That one's a little bit more better.
This one's better.
Yeah.
And they're both good. So we've got glitter eyeliner next. You have a good feeling about this one? Yeah.
Look.
Done?
Uh-huh.
Cool. You go pick a lipstick first. Right, I did my mascara because Mika was a bit scared to do it. I let her choose a lipstick and she has chosen Baby Girl by Kylie Cosmetics from the Coco collection.
There's a lip dot in.
Top drawer, Ari. Are you happy
Yeah.
with Mummy's makeup?
Yeah.
What's your favourite bit?
I like everything.
You like everything? So yeah, Mika has done my makeup. Ari's gonna have a go and see if she can do it any better. Do you think you can do it better?
Yeah.
You do? You're gonna do better?
Mini car.
Okay, so yeah, it's a battle of the sisters.
Alex doesn't
You think you're gonna win or do you think Ari's gonna win?
Maybe both win.
You reckon?
Well, we get if we win.
Chocolate bar?
Maybe both win. What do we get?
Half a chocolate bar. So yeah, if you like these kind of videos, give it a big thumbs up and thank you so much for watching. Say bye!
Bye.